Hi and welcome. Today we would like to tell you a little about a miracle plant. There is a herb that has come to be known as the miracle tree. It has been used by the ancient Egyptians, Greeks and Romans as perfume, and has recently been used to combat famine in parts of Africa. The leaves and seeds are packed with 27 vitamins, 9 essential amino acids, 46 antioxidants, numerous minerals and high concentrations of protein. It has been named a superfood. But to the ancients it is the tree of life. Today there is still scientific investigation into this plant, but a few studies have already showed its significance in healing and health. Although this plant has been shown to treat a wide variety of illnesses, it by no means is a cure. The worst thing of the health and food industry is that sometimes they try and sell you hope. The best practice is to be truthful, and the truth is that although this plant has numerous benefits and may treat a wide variety of illnesses and conditions, it is not a cure as some people may claim it to be. The name of this plant is Moringa. I have left a link to the various products of Moringa in the description. But as I said, although it will be beneficial to you and will bring in significant improvement to your health, it is not a cure. Nonetheless, from tons of researching, reading reviews and trying it myself, Moringa products are great to have, with many people reporting an overall improvement in their daily life. Remember, just as it may be good to take Moringa, it is also good for you to be healthy in other parts of your life, such as exercise, sleep, lowering stress levels, achieving your goals, and being happy for your own sake. That's it for me for today, and I wish you well.